How to find moderation list on Bluesky. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can find the moderation list on Bluesky. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can find it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to find the moderation list on Bluesky, these are the process you need to follow in order to do so. First of all, launch the Bluesky application into your device, and after logging into your account, you'll be able to see the Bluesky dashboard on the screen. So in order to see the moderation list, you just need to head over to the menu bar at the top left. You can easily find that option. After tapping on it, you'll be finding search, home, chat, notification, feeds, list, profile and settings option here. So you're just gonna click on the option called settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be finding account privacy and security, and on the third you can easily find the option called moderation. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll be taken to next page where you'll be finding moderation list under moderation tools on the second option. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you'll be able to see all of the moderation list on your Bluesky. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.